Resending a campaign in Mailchimp is useful for reaching subscribers who might have missed your original email or for re-engaging your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Campaigns. Click on the Campaigns tab from the dashboard to view your list of campaigns. Find the original campaign. Locate the campaign you want to resend. Use the search bar or filtering options if needed. Replicate the campaign. Click on the campaign to open its details. From the campaign summary page, click the Replicate button. This creates a duplicate of your original campaign. Edit the replicated campaign. Open the replicated campaign. You can adjust the subject line, update the content, or make changes to the design if needed. Select recipients. In the To section, choose the recipients for the resend. You can send it to the entire audience again or target a specific segment that didn't receive the original email. Send or schedule. After making any necessary changes, click Send to deliver the campaign immediately or schedule to set a future date and time. Confirm the details. Review the sending details and confirm the action to complete the process.